So I just finished watching Easy Rider. Okay, the whole thing can be summed up before my intro. Two stoners decide to go on their motorcycles across country. They pick up a few people, and then everybody dies. Oh yeah, right. And they also swam naked with a couple chicks in some river or whatever, and then played around in a cemetery and all this other stuff, and a bunch of stuff happened. I mean, it was a good movie. It was a good movie, but it was just, I didn't really see the point. Like, you know, maybe I'll watch it again. I was up all night. But anyway, I'm on my way to church, and I'm under here because it's raining a little bit. So I'll talk to you when I get there. I guess it kind of does look like a haircut. I don't know. Yeah, but I told her it's not a haircut, it's a hair growth. Jessie, she told me that, oh, I love your haircut. No, it's not, it's a hair growth. I stopped shaving the sides of my head August 1st. Oh, and I just let it grow back in. So, I guess, well, she hasn't seen me in a few weeks, so I don't know. I'm just wasting my time. Yes, this is definitely the last time I stay up all night and try and go to church the next morning. And those are still very weird looking urinals. I don't know what they were thinking when they designed them. Word of advice: never turn down a free ride. Still raining out there. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Here, let's see. I don't know if you can see that or not. But yeah, it's still raining outside. So, yeah, that's why I got a ride home from my mother and her husband. I didn't get any footage in the car because they were sitting there blabbing about, you know, the church and all that stuff. And I'm sure you didn't want to hear anything like that. So anyway, I'm home. It's still raining. So it's been raining all morning, and it's 12:50, so so far in the afternoon. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just babbling, and there's absolutely nothing to talk about. Tired. I know. I'm going to go play Grand Theft Auto for a bit. Yeah. It's funny how they stop when they see me watching them. Oh, he left you, boxer. You're too rough. It really sucks that it's raining off and on all day. I'm just glad there wasn't another flood. But yeah, I'm going to Dollarama getting Pepsis. Really wish they had Dr. Pepper. Then I'm going to Subway to get some subs for supper. Okay. Hi. You're probably wondering, because I went to Subway, what kinds of subs we got, because I always tell you guys. Jasmine got her usual cold cut combo with lettuce, onions, barbecue sauce, and mayo. And I got a pizza sub with, I got it toasted, and I got, let's see, lettuce, onions, green peppers, olives, jalapeno peppers, chipotle sauce, barbecue sauce, and buffalo sauce. So it's really, really spicy. I love spicy food. So there you go. That's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna be watching a movie. I'm not sure what movie yet, but I'll figure something out. Maybe I'll watch a conspiracy documentary. Let's see here. Watch them alphabetically, I guess. America Destroyed by Design. I'm gonna watch that. See you afterwards. Okay. So I ended up watching 2 documentaries. The second one was America, Freedom to Fascism. And of course I fell asleep. Anyway, I'll probably have to watch that again some other time. But yeah, so I guess that's it for today. Enjoy the rest of your day. Check out all the links down below and take it easy.